Food, glorious food. What's your favorite? I love curry, even if I'm not in a hurry. I even know how to make it. As Taras Dalgakiran reports, people of all ages love to cook.
We all love to eat. While some people prefer spaghetti, others like lasagna. There's a huge variety of foods that people enjoy: Indian, Chinese, Italian, and Latin. Foods are among the most popular. Many students not only like to eat, they enjoy cooking.
I do cook. I cook by myself and I cook pretty much everything. I do it on special occasions or some mornings when I just want them to get out of bed, I'll just give them breakfast. So I cook omelets, hot dogs, brownies, pancakes, crabs, and bruschetta. And I cook it by myself. Yeah, I usually make it when it's their birthday, when it's like a special occasion, New Year, Christmas, usually almost every special occasion. I like to put like brownies and some cakes.
Some people like to make a special dish. Takeout or delivery is a popular option for busy families. However, it can be fun to whip up a dish now and then.
I can cook by myself pretty much anything that has directions, like baked beans or mac and cheese or noodles, anything.
What's more fun, making it or eating it? When you know your way around the kitchen, you can do both. So get cracking. Taras Dalgakiran, TBN.